Lexus Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here.
Hey Sunshiners, Lexus Sunshine 83 right here. Hello, hello. Super sunny day. What is up? Yes, there is just a mountain of clothes behind me. Today's video is going to be a decluttering video, and honestly, I'm ready to get rid of 60 to 70% of my clothes. Let me back up real quick. Think like a couple weeks ago, I decided to kind of rearrange my room. I kind of have like two rooms, and I made the room that was my office into my bedroom, and then this room that was my bedroom is now my office. And basically my idea was, ooh, now that I have access to my closet, I'm gonna be a lot more organized. And I even have like a second rack for my clothes, which was originally supposed to be for all the items that I was wanting to sell, but it has quickly turned into just like an extension of my closet. I thought I had cracked the code, I was gonna be organized, and no. This video is not sponsored by Poshmark, but any items that I decide I don't want, I will be putting on my Poshmark and my Depop. And honestly, I have a massive pile just of clothes for that I have yet to go and like take photos for and upload, because where I'm gonna take photos is right here and it's full of clothes. Instead of being like most people and doing a big declutter in the beginning of the year, I've made it how many weeks? Like the third week of January, and it's finally kicked in. A lot of you guys actually asked if I was inspired by the Netflix series Tidying Up with Marie Kondo. No, and I don't think there's anything that Marie can tell me that I don't know.
I feel like I don't even, one, I feel like I don't need this, and then two, I feel like there's people who don't have, I don't know why, like I started feeling guilty.
That's enough. We're gonna make our way over. Obviously, I need room to be able to take all the clothes that are on the ground right now, put them in my closet. So I figured we would start with my closet. I have a lot of stuff in here that, like, honestly, I feel like anything I don't really wear goes right into my closet because it's harder to get to, whereas I have this like rack filled with like the stuff I probably like the most. So I already have kind of a pile of the stuff I'm selling, so anything I'm going to sell, I'll put in there. Anything that's just like maybe worth $1, I'll probably just donate. Let's go through it. So, ooh, tiger shirt. I love this tiger shirt, so I'm definitely keeping it. Also, I guess I need to move everything on the, no, okay. Well, what's the easiest way? Oh my gosh, okay. Put it on this rack right here, whatever I want to keep. I love this Halloween dog shirt. I have to keep this. I don't wear stripes as much anymore. I'm actually pretty sad about it. I may actually say goodbye to this. I haven't worn it in such a long time, but I don't know if I haven't worn it because I wore it so much that I tried to stop wearing it as much. No, I love it still. Okay, we got a turtleneck. Honestly, I don't think I'm that into turtlenecks anymore. Just not feeling them. They kind of like feel that I'm suffocating myself. Wolf shirt, gotta keep that. Do I actually wear this? So bad. You know, as much as I like this, I don't think this is really my style anymore. I am a person that really enjoys change. Obviously I used to love changing my hair. Instead of changing my hair, I just redecorate all the time and it's bad. I definitely could do like minimalism again. I love the concept. That's what even got me into thrifting, weirdly. But I just love sharing my like thrift with me. And that's the main reason why I'm not. Oh, I used to wear this all the time, but I just don't anymore, just ever. And I think decluttering and getting rid of stuff makes me feel like bad. I think it makes me feel like I'm doing what people do with fast fashion, where they just buy it and then they get rid of it. So all this stuff has really piled up because I feel bad, but for me, if I am reselling it, then it has a purpose. It's not just going into like a landfill. This one's really cute, but I have not ever worn it, so. When you're in the beginning of ethical fashion, you just get really extreme. I don't know if other people get this or I'm just a weirdo, but anytime I'm trying something different or like new, I go pretty extreme. Even when I first became like plant-based, like I went very extreme. I do live in my life in a way where I want to do as little damage to, you know, the lives of fast fashion and then lives of kind of the world and the environment as much as possible. Again, why ethical fashion and thrifting is so important to me. I just feel like sometimes you can never win. I think also I'm in like a really weird state with my like style. Like I don't really know what I like. I definitely am inspired by kind of like 90s fashion from like Pinterest. But I'm kind of like very open. Last year I feel like I started knowing what I wanted, knowing what I needed to do, and this year it's like I just kind of like plummeted. I feel like I just need to always keep this Twilight shirt forever. And I really want to organize my closet by color as well, so hopefully I'll be able to do that. We're making headway! All the clothes that are like black first and like organizing them that way. And then pant wise, I don't think I'm really gonna get rid of any pants because I like basically all of them, but I have this like little shoe rack that I just use for my jeans. Is that all my black clothes? Okay, on to white. Honestly, even with all the stuff I'm keeping, my closet is still like too small. Ooh, I do, aw man. I do like the look of kind of like the black going into the gray to the white. Now it's time for the other side. I'm just gonna put like all my colorful clothes over here. I'm going to try my best to also color code these. I'm also going to be like selling some overalls because I think I went too like ham. It's the same thing when it comes to thrifting mom jeans in the beginning. You just literally buy anything that fits. It may not fit great, but you just buy it because you found it, and then you start finding ones that you actually truly love. And then the other ones, you're like, why did I buy that? Now that my rack is empty, I can take all these clothes and put them up there so I can organize them, so then I can take photos and get rid of them. And then I always end up struggling with the fact that I don't have enough hangers, which is insane. So I do have like a bag that I put it in, but it's like not the most organized, but I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to take the shoe rack and fold the clothes so it's still a little bit more organized on here. I don't know, I used to not be the type of person that had an emotional attachment to things. I started thrifting and filming them, and each item is a memory of a thrift with me that I did. And I'm not a sappy person, but not gonna lie, sometimes it's like kind of hard to get rid of it because I'm like, oh, I remember when I thrifted this, you know? Okay, so it's organized. So I realized I never actually like filmed an outro. I'm a little bit sick, so sorry. But I think it's pretty like self-explanatory. It's clean now. This is what it looks like, some cool shots. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, it's been 2 days and it has yet to get dirty, so winning. Hopefully this video inspired you guys to like take a look at your closet and you may think you're fine, but you're not. Yeah, I'm really liking it. If you guys do like thrifting videos, thrift hauls, thrifting with me's, make sure you hit that subscribe right down below because I'm sure I'm not gonna be stopping anytime soon and my closet will continue to get bigger. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at AlexSunshine83, and I will see you guys this Sunday with a brand new Sunny Sunday video. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye!